Hey Benebabes, it's Claire here. Hope your month is off to an awesome start. Here's the latest and greatest with what's going on with Benefit Club Pink. We have been living for your brow posts and contest entries last month. Keep up the hard work. You might see your face reposted on our Instagram. We loved seeing all of your submissions for the Benefit Brow Search. Be sure to keep following along on Instagram so you can see the exciting updates and see who's coming to camp with us. May is one of our favorite times of the year because it's all about our Bold is Beautiful project. We've partnered with 5 charities that focus on empowering women and girls around the world. All you have to do is head to your local Benefit Brow Bar to receive a brow wax, and 100% of the proceeds go towards these charities. It's that easy, you guys. So get that brow wax, spread the word, and together we can make a difference. Keep an eye out for your pretty pink package because our girl is back. This month you'll be receiving Gimmebrow Plus in shades 1, 3, and 5. Gimmebrow Plus is our volumizing fiber gel that tames and tints for natural and full-looking brows. Who doesn't want that? And now onto the contest. This month, in addition to your 2 monthly brow posts, we're asking you to post a photo or video on Instagram showing us how you use Gimmebrow Plus. Be sure to use the hashtags Gimmebrow, Benefit Brows, Benefit Club Pink, and don't forget to tag us. Get ready for your close-up Benebabes because this month, we're randomly selecting 4 of you to take over Benefit's Instagram or Snapchat next month. So put those Benefit brows on and show us what you got. All right, Benebabes, there's so much fun stuff going on in May, but don't forget there's power in your brows. Go get that brow wax, tell your friends, tell your family, and together we can help give back to these amazing organizations. That's it for this month, and we'll see you next time. Bye!